You probably don't think much about how you breathe. It just happens, right? But what if I told you that the way you're breathing right now could be silently triggering stress, fatigue, or even high blood pressure? In this video, I'll show you a simple 60-second breathing method that can instantly shift your body into calm, balance your energy, and even help your heart and mind work together more efficiently. It sounds almost too easy, but stay with me, because once you try it, you'll understand why so many people describe it as a reset button for the entire nervous system. Before we dive in, take a second to support this channel. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love seeing how far our community reaches and how many people are taking small daily steps to reclaim control over their health and peace of mind. Now let's get real for a moment. Most people breathe wrong. It's not their fault. Modern life trains us to take quick, shallow breaths, especially when we're stressed, focused on screens, or rushing through the day. What many don't realize is that shallow breathing keeps your body stuck in a mild fight or flight mode. That means higher heart rate, tighter muscles, and a constant sense of pressure, even when nothing's actually wrong. Some studies suggest that within just 60 seconds of deep rhythmic breathing, your blood pressure and stress hormones begin to normalize. Imagine feeling that shift in less than a minute. No pills, no equipment, just oxygen used the way your body was designed to use it. Here's a simple way to test yourself. Right now, place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Take a normal breath. If your chest moves more than your stomach, you're breathing from the wrong place. Don't worry, most people do. The goal is to reverse that pattern. Your belly should rise first, slowly, like you're filling up a balloon from the bottom. It may feel strange at first, but within seconds, you'll notice a subtle wave of calm spreading through your body. And honestly, if you've been running on stress all week, that calm might feel suspiciously like magic, but it's just biology doing what it's supposed to do. The beauty of this 60-second method is that you can do it anywhere, in traffic, before a meeting, or even lying in bed. You don't need incense or meditation music, you just need 1 minute of awareness. Breathe in deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, hold gently for 2, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. Repeat that cycle a few times and you'll feel a real difference. Lighter head, slower pulse, a bit of quiet where your stress used to live. And if someone catches you doing it at your desk, just smile and tell them you're upgrading your software. This is how small, conscious breathing can shift your entire system. Because sometimes the fastest way to heal your body isn't through medicine or supplements, but through the one thing you've been doing wrong your whole life, breathing. When you slow down your breathing, something incredible happens inside your body. Your lungs aren't just taking in air, they're sending messages to your brain that it's safe to relax. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for rest, digestion, and repair. Research shows that when this system takes control, your heart rate stabilizes, blood vessels open, and oxygen reaches deeper into your tissues. In simple terms, your body stops surviving and starts healing. And the best part? It can all begin within 1 minute. But here's where it gets fascinating. Shallow, fast breathing doesn't just make you feel tense, it can actually trick your brain into thinking you're in danger. That means higher cortisol levels, racing thoughts, and even disrupted digestion. Some data shows that people who breathe rapidly throughout the day may experience more fatigue, sugar cravings, and trouble focusing. Your body keeps searching for balance it never finds, like a phone running too many apps at once. The solution isn't to work harder, it's to breathe smarter. Try this small shift. When you exhale, make it longer than your inhale. It might sound too simple to matter, but it sends a powerful signal to your nervous system. We're safe now. Within seconds, your blood pressure may drop slightly, your shoulders loosen, and your mind clears. It's not magic, it's your physiology catching its breath. And yes, if you do this in the middle of an argument, people might think you're trying not to scream. But honestly, that's still a win. Another thing people rarely realize is that how you breathe affects your hormones too. It's possible that deep, rhythmic breathing can help regulate cortisol, insulin, and even melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. When you breathe slowly, your body reclaims its rhythm. You fall asleep faster, wake up more rested, and your energy feels steadier throughout the day. Think of it as pressing reset on your internal software. So if you've ever felt like your body is stuck in overdrive, too tired to rest, too wired to relax, it might not be your schedule or your diet. It could simply be your breath. 1 minute of awareness, one intentional pause, and you can remind your body that it's okay to slow down. When your breathing stays shallow for days, weeks, or even years, your body begins to forget what real calm feels like. You start waking up already tense. Your mind races before your feet even touch the floor, and tiny frustrations feel heavier than they should. It's not weakness. It's your nervous system running on alert for too long. Studies suggest that this constant low-level tension can gradually affect your blood pressure, digestion, and even your mood. The irony is, the very thing that can help you, deep, rhythmic breathing, is the thing we forget to do most. There's a good chance that a lot of your tiredness or anxiety doesn't come from what's happening around you, but from what's happening inside you. The pace of your breath, the space between each inhale and exhale. It may help to think of breathing as a conversation between your body and your brain. When you slow it down, you're telling your brain, "We're okay. You can stand down." And when your brain believes that, your body follows. Blood flow improves, your heart rhythm steadies, and your muscles finally get permission to release tension they've been holding for days. Try this tonight before bed. Sit or lie down, place one hand on your stomach, and breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold gently for 2, then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. As you exhale, imagine your body melting a little deeper into the surface beneath you. You might even notice your heartbeat slowing. If you catch yourself snoring halfway through, congratulations. It's working faster than expected. Breathing this way for just 1 minute several times a day can be a quiet act of self-control. Not in a strict, disciplined way, but in a loving, restorative one. It's a reminder that you are not at the mercy of your stress or your thoughts. You have a built-in switch that can calm your system, balance your hormones, and bring you back to yourself. The change is subtle at first, clearer thinking, steadier emotions, but over time, it reshapes how you respond to everything around you. Your body is constantly whispering to you, asking for space, oxygen, and presence. The question is, are you listening? Take that 1 minute today. Just breathe, slowly, deeply, intentionally. The future of your health depends on it. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, make sure to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know how this practice feels for you.